On January 6th, a very important holiday is celebrated not only in the Christian Church, in the Catholic Church, but also in Germany. So am 6. Januar. It's das Dreikönigsfest or Heilige Drei Könige. This is the Feast of the Three Kings. You'll notice, eins, zwei, drei. So the three kings or the three wise men. Also, part of this festival, in terms of just knowing it as the Three Kings Festival or Epiphany, is that it is a holiday in Austria and in 3 states in Germany, as well as a few cantons in Switzerland as well. In Germany, Baden-Württemberg, Bayern, and Sachsen-Anhalt, I believe. And that's the Feast of the Three Kings. There's also a group called the Sternsinger. So if you think about this German word, which is Stern, and then Singer, right? So the singers, the star singers. The star singers are used to also help with fundraising, usually done by children, and they go around and sing, and they hold a star as part of this tradition. And so in Austria and the Catholic regions of Germany and Switzerland, this is the date where people and the Sternsinger carry out the tradition of CMB, which is as follows. So what happens is this is a house blessing ceremony, and I've also seen it done on businesses, buildings, and churches as well, where an inscription is written on or above the door. And this inscription includes the year, as well as the initials C, M, and B, C, M, B. So what does all of this mean? Well, first and foremost, we have the year. So whatever year in which this is occurring is part of the descriptor. So if it's in the year 2021, 2021, so that would be the year 2021. And then, of course, it has 3 initials, or it's a Buchstabe, the letter C, M, and B. And this traditional inscription has a very standard format that's used throughout Germany. There might be some regional variations, but in general, this is what it looks like. So you have the first 2 digits of the year. So for 2000, so here's the number 20, 20. And then what's placed in between it is a star, looks like an asterisk, which represents the Star of Bethlehem, or the Christmas star. And then you have the letter C with a plus sign, M with a plus sign, and then B with the plus sign. And so one version of this says that the C and the M and the B indicate the initials of the 3 kings, which are traditionally known as Caspar, Melchior, and Balthazar. The other possible explanation is it could come from Latin for, my Latin's not very good, but Christus Masionem Benedicat, which was Christ, this house, blessed. So bless this house, Christ bless this house. The star, like I said before, is the Christmas. This represents the Christmas star. And then the 3 plus signs are actually crosses, which could represent the Trinity, the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. And then, of course, like I said before, Die Weisen, or the 3 wise men, the Magi, C, M, and B. So here's a depiction of it over a classroom door for the year 2021. So perhaps you may wish to go ahead and put a blessing on your house or above your house door as well.